Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me these three items: picture frame, a vector background, and a vector car. And I'm going to just put a yellow box just to check the car real quick, make sure there's nothing around it. And there's not. It's a great start. But they want the picture, and then they want the car sticking out of the frame like that, and then have a shadow, from what I'm gathering, like it's going along the road, but then have a shadow on the outside of the picture. That's really pretty easy. First, I'm going to do the car in the shadow. So I'm going to bring it here, and there's really no way to figure out where they really want it. So I'm going to put it like right there. I'm going to take the car and give it a shadow. I'm just going to use the shadow tool and just go straight down. So that gives a little bit of, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger for the video. There's no way to, well, let me just do this to make sure I know what I'm talking about. Break the drop shadow apart. And then I've got my nudge factor set on 16. I'm going to get rid of the car. I can't really get rid of the shadow inside the frame, but I can do this. I can put the background in front. So I don't like using power clip, but power clip is about the only thing that's going to work in this. And I'm going to put it inside that frame, and now you see the shadow is in the picture. Well, we don't want that. We want the shadow, go to object order, back a page. You know what, there's still a little bit of shadow there, isn't there? Well, you know what, that's going to be hidden by the car, most likely. No? Well, you can't really see it on the road. So I'm already there. I didn't have to do anything. At first I thought maybe the car would be like that, but you just need to replace the order and put it to the front of the page. I'm thinking that's what they want. If it's not, I'm sure they'll let me know. I actually think, unless you're making something really special, I actually would make my frame larger to encompass all this scenery, and then just take power clip. And I could trim it, but this power clip does work in this case. Now we're going to go to object this time and order in front of page. And that kind of, what this picture is transparent, evidently. And I don't think the transparency tool will do anything, so it isn't, I don't know. Then just take your car and nudge it back over. Well, remember I moved the car. But see, now the car is like I thought it was going to be a while ago. So we can take the car and go to Effects, Order, Front of Page. And there you have it. That's a pretty cool graphic. I don't know what it's really for, but you could maybe even put it more on the road. And then, of course, you'd have to move your shadow. Just have it where they don't want the shadow in the picture. My hat's off to them. That'll look pretty good on a print on a t-shirt. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.